Jesus Christ, motherfucker. People are going for, I guess. There's some Vitisendo. It's pretty balanced. Razor, because Fiora all in, Kraken.
Welcome to another Quinn Top. Today we're playing versus Fiora. This matchup is, I quite enjoy it. It's like a minigame involved. It is, which champion has any kind of minigame?
Fighting because I ensure my scaling. I randomly lose to Fiora.
Yes.
Let's see if she's in the bush.
I like Fiora way more than Aatrox or any other champion. Ever since I've been taking bone plating into Jax, things have been looking up. Like the matchup was way better. It used to be they would go grasp and they just QW, and on the way out they would try to trade back, but maybe I wasn't doing something right, something was going bad.
Melee creep, making sure she doesn't get it.
Oh yeah, this game I think it's the first game.
So may as well.
So I have a lot of mental energy and I'm just commentating a bunch. So this game is the first game of the day. Well, it was yesterday. And this early game is quite full, so I'm gonna leave a lot of stuff, unlike Gragas. We don't AFK in lane. With Fiora we have this
first game of the day.
There you go. As I said, first game of the day. There's a lot of mini games going on with the vitals, and I'm gonna show you a couple of examples of how to space out vitals and bait out Fiora's Q.
It's roamable. So I'm just gonna go for a fleet prop. Mark.
Getting rid of the melee creep because I want to be able to Q Fiora freely. I want to go behind the wave and potentially throw my Qs, but these melees are making it hard. There's a Q landed.
That minion goes off. Ooh.
So, yesterday
Q didn't work. Bait Q still not working.
I played versus a Warriors top. And it was miserable.
Testing the waters, see if she'll repost. So far she did not. Pop a pot, don't get pulled in. Waiting for my fleet plus my E.
A random Q. I got ample mana. She gets the Q.
Let's go for a fleet over the CS.
So this Fiora doesn't have grasp, by the way.
Make sure she's uncomfortable.
Usually
use E yet.
Grasp.
Let the wave push in, she's low enough.
Grasp Fiora is quite brain dead. And it is quite hard to face versus because she gets poke plus sustain plus D shield plus second wind
Go
probably.
back and forth from fleet. Don't touch the wave.
Fiora is more skilled type of Fiora, but good Fioras usually take Conqueror for scaling because they become monster-like game. And Grass.
What's here? I'm listening to my
early mid to get first of all bypass the laning phase.
Some stuff, but guess not.
Flush.
Get a Q off.
They get to turn their Bane off and get a lead. Early mid versus mid late game focus for Conqueror Fiora versus Grasp.
Get that CS.
Baiting my
Who's their jungler? Graves. Waiting for the wave.
Act like I'm gonna auto to the back line. Cancel my auto.
HP.
A bird's eye view is the best advantage.
Just looking at
Go
the
for
minions.
A fleet when she goes for a minion.
Get a nice HP up. Bit of a E.
Yeah. Another fleet. Go to bush, reset aggro.
By the way, Quinn's E is quite hard
Space
to
out because Fiora's looking for a vital.
Quite hard to react as
Fiora.
Fiora because when you put E, you just walk up and you can dodge Fiora's W because it takes a while to travel. It's not instant, so we get her flash. This flash.
Oh, that was a that was a bad flash by me. It's really bad.
It was really bad indeed.
Should have just taken the flash.
Mr. Cannon.
Okay, just gonna reset. Gonna make sure I push the wave in.
Fiora got TP.
Doesn't matter if I'm missing the CS, I just need to push this bad boy so I can get a reset on my own. Because Fiora TP'd.
If Fiora walks up to try to freeze the wave,
what does she have? Boots? Okay, I need to match boots. Match the boots. Get that. Put this. Okay. Mid is surviving, got the plate. Jungle getting stuff. You're helping jungle. Good stuff. I'll put a ward. Can't put a ward, never mind. Instead, I'll just bait. I just want this quick shard, you know? Okay, just like that.
What did you plus 102? Not bad damage. Quick shard, kinda cheating.
Still want the quick shard.
Into Doran's
Getting
shield.
my passive plus air procs.
She used W. That's a green light
Pretty
for
decent
E.
healing.
I'm shaving the wave.
Go
It's
for a
still
minion.
pushing to me. J4's coming from base. Just get a bit more fleet.
Just go for a fleet. Quick shard.
Stay alert.
Now, this is unlucky, kinda. I thought, like, look at this. Right here, it showed behind Graves, so I clicked E.
Stay alert.
This sucks. Like, I'm keeping an eye on the E, and it showed right there. And it takes me up instead of behind Graves. My plan was
Shit
blind Graves,
sucked.
get behind him, and get to my
Make
tower.
sure I can
That's
follow
bullshit.
up with the on my way.
I was specifically watching the indicator. Let's get a kill. So I miss Herald by like 13 HP if I was a little bit sooner contest of it. But it's risking Nautilus plus Fiora getting on top of me. I didn't want to risk it, to be honest with you. I matched
like that.
boots with Fiora.
Slow down the push. Being powerless.
Didn't put my auto attack buffer.
So far, not giving her
Stealing all the glory.
free procs.
I think this game Fiora hits a 1W
Pretty
repose
decent stuff.
and she kills me. Just one, the entire game. I give her a Vital, there's a bad
I
kinda.
canceled an auto.
Also cancel an auto. Didn't
Let's
get
go
my
for a splash on the Fiora.
heavier proc. I make sure I don't hit the wave too much, so it's slow pushing to me. So making Fiora uncomfortable, losing more CS. Just keep pulling the wave. And soon, the quick clip from the beginning will come up.
Love tapped into Fiora. Gonna soon all in.
Vital. Keep going back and forward. Grace is going lethality. Little that he knows I'm going Jack Show. I'm taking some
I would like
hits.
cannon, even though it's one more auto.
Yeah. It was worth the cannon. Graves Q freaking is big as fuck. And it's so annoying. For Fiora, possibly we're going to look into recall in the bush. So I'm just gonna walk off, throw a Q, disturb Fiora. Graves being a little bitch, so I'm gonna put him in his place right about now.
Jesus Christ,
He's
motherfucker.
blinded. I just go on him. It's unexpected. He's blinded. He can't see nothing. Movement speed. Double kill under my tower. I'll play.
Bitch ass, punk ass, loser ass, jungler.
I'm not happy. Although to be fair, Jarvin helped me like 3-4 ways while the wave was slow pushing
I'm
towards
gonna
me.
greed.
I get greedy. Fiora TP behind me. I was cannon wave, so Fiora respawned already. This
We're
is
just gonna go
my
like
bad.
this.
It is my bad. So, I think last hit
behind enemy lines.
I tried to outplay Graves, but his red... I guess it's not red buff. What did kill me then? Is it the Q?
No.
It was super close. It was worth a try. I am not liking the numbers I see on the last stand in Coupe de Gras. Nothing just works. It sucks. Nothing's giving me good value, man. Nothing's like cut down when you go no health health item.
Feeling all the glory again.
But Omniman plus HP of
Just do this.
Dawn's Blade is
There's
just
not much need
so
to be done.
valuable.
I'll just go for a Razor.
Yeah, once I unlock Razor, Storm Razor, new pattern of trading begins, and that is auto E and run away.
Just go for a prop right here.
Or just go for a get onto my R. My R is 50 mana. Get onto my R, get my fleet or energized thing going on, and just get the auto and get out.
We've got this covered.
That's the new type of trading once the Razor begins. Also, I did some testing. Kraken
Let's
Ginso
release
sucks.
some-
Kraken Bork, believe it or not, Ginso, whenever I put Ginso into my builds, the damage
got
went
that?
way too low. And as a front line, you don't get to just dilly-dally, sadly. Ginso sucks. The penetration from the passive you get is not enough.
Showing off.
Mortal Reminder outperforms, armor penetration item outperforms always.
I proc my white pills. Now I can all in Fiora. Graves should be behind, so let's see. Let's take a look at this.
I'm full HP, Fiora's half HP. Now this...
Okay,
This
but
annoys me.
she just flashes and gets 10,000 space.
I meant 10,000 screens away.
Stay alert.
She literally Q flash and auto my range.
Fury is out.
That pisses me off, not gonna lie. Maybe I went...
Ori is little
I
too
don't
deep
know.
as always.
Maybe I'll make pizza
Oh
today.
yeah, now you have TV.
Oh, I wanna eat pizza today. I'm craving pizza. Just discourage Grace from walking up. Keep chasing Yazaya. Just backing up. Getting my fleet plus Storm Razor. Graves ours. Making sure team doesn't die. It is 4 versus 4. But they're too low now, so
I mean, if she just runs at me like this,
and this was the time she hits it.
she gets the parry. I can't do nothing about that. She hits the parry. I get scared because I'm low. Good on her.
Yep. After I know enemy team won't contest because they're too low, I just let my team do the drag and go to side for collect CS. So, Ignite kills her. And here, 2 versus 2, we play quite nicely with J4. But,
Motherfucker.
here's the thing. We greed for more. I, for some reason, forgot there's a Graves here. And there's a ward in that Triprosh. And Graves
Oh
sees me
my
coming
God,
and just puts a
motherfucker.
W on my head and I'm just dead. We give shutdowns,
Yeah,
Zyra,
man.
me, and maybe J4. We'll give shutdowns. It's a throw. I just woke up, by the way, boys. What time is it? It's 8 a.m. No, I woke up around 8 and I was editing this roughly 7:30. Make sure to get behind walls so Nautilus can't hook me easily. Jin is lethality and Graves is lethality. Good R by Ash, EQ by J4, R. And we clean up. I just flash, get the one shot, get a Q onto the Graves. Now I wanted to recall for top because Ori is really weak and she gets soloed on the side instead of just clearing the waves. To be fair, it's Fiora, she got 10,000 dashes. If you don't know your range, if you don't play your max range, and don't know how far a Fiora can run you down, it is fair. I just wait for my Jack show. And right around now, I think Fiora pops out of the bush and we have a nice little duel. I got 3 items, she got 2 items, 2.5. She gets on top of me, but... So here's the thing. If I was fed as this, I get 3 damage items, I kill her faster. But in a chance that she gets quick combo of me, 3 damage items won't let me survive. So I don't know whether... I mean, I know my answer. I always like Jack Show, but to provide answer to you guys, I don't know which one is more valid, more damage or a little more defense. Serve you better in your games. When I'm fed, certainly defensive helps. Just look at this. I've been getting autoed by Jin and Azir the entire game. Nautilus ignores me because he can't kill me. So I don't know. Over there, damage item won't help. But 1 versus Fiora, damage certainly will help me kill her better. Won't let her get on top of me. And Graves will one-shot me with Eclipse. Jin will one-shot me because he has Knight's Edge. They're going lethality, so I don't know. Casual 4K healing from Fleet. You go behind. Look at this. Being fed maybe let me kill Jin, but I would die here. After this, Azir is autoing me, Jin is autoing me, Nautilus Art me, Q'd me. I don't know, Jack Show hits different in my opinion. Get my Phage. I can sell Doran's Blade last because I have Fleet of Footwork. Fleet scales with levels plus AD, so later on it heals way more. Look at this, I'm face tanking Fiora and Graves, QR. Like, look at Graves, look at Graves. Look at Graves, he got Eclipse, Lord Dominic's Collector. Feels good. Feels good. I like Jack Show a bunch. Jack Show run mixed damage. Frostfire got them when they're 80 heavy. And Vitis and third item when they are AP heavy. If I ever press show, you guys can pause at any point and take a look. Options. I have zero concern of Graves hitting me. At this point I just want Graves out because he has a really good wave clear. It's annoying. My flash to end the game is worth it, plus I get a kill on the pesky jungler. Azir ults me on their tower. Azir is not weak. He got Nashers, Leandries, and Rylai's. 3 items a zero. Not bad. He doesn't have Void, and I'm super fed. And my last item is Steric's Gauge. More anti-burst. I'm quite happy.
Extra OP.
I'll leave the last bit in because I may look to play water stuff. Screw melees. I'm clearly not a melee player. I'm a freaking ranged up abuser, I guess. I'm also Quinn OTP. I'm way closer to diamond. I'm like 67 LP now.
Maybe I'll try water stop at some point, but for now, for my ego, I want to hit diamond.
Yep. I hope you guys like this video. This is another video anyways. And I will see you guys until next time. Peace out.